Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh 2019 DRV mobile suites. This is the 36 RSSB3. Come on inside, let me show you the luxuries. We come inside this model. This has got the nice big kitchen island. Stainless steel, big double one-piece sink. 2 bowls, nice fixtures for the faucet, all solid surface, residential refrig, convection microwave, tons of cabinets, nice solid woodwork, all real wood, no photo finish. Solid surface backsplash, hinged range cover, nice new Furrion stovetop, nice new residential styled oven, cabinets throughout, backlit, cabinetry with adjustable shelving. We got the appliance garage. Comes with the digital wireless observation system for the back end when we back up. Nice glass inlay. Dishwasher, nice big dishwasher by the way. Drawer space underneath, lots of cabinetry in the island as well as a garbage can drawer. All soft touch closes on the drawers. Very nice woodwork, nice bank of drawers there. We come over here, we got the entertainment area with the overhead Sony component system, all pre-wired for satellite if need. Does have the wine guard power antenna as well for the television. Big LG smart TV. Pull-out drawer here. Double lock for the fireplace, but we got drawer space behind the fireplace as well. Cabinets on both sides. We turn around here, lots of rear windows, plenty of lighting. This one we chose to opt with the wood window valances. It's got the duo MCD roller shades and the blackouts. Very nice, easy to work with, roll right up by themselves, do a nice job. Overhead cabinetry. Backlit cabinetry here with the glass inlay in the center. Notice the LED light strip above for the indirect lighting. Big couch, hide-a-bed, shelves on each side. Theater seating. That's all power with heat, cool, power recline. Got the center console for the remotes. It's got the frameless insulated windows. Plenty of lights. Nice big bank of cabinetry above in the slide out. With this being a flat roof, interior wise, flat out, no angle down, we got plenty of head height. So we do have room for those bigger cabinets above. Notice the individual laid pieces in the floor. This is not a rollout floor, it's individual laid pieces. This has the Louisiana carpet cut, therefore we lose the carpet in the area to keep it nice and easy to keep clean. Or as a standard feature, this area here would all be carpet, but we chose to get the Louisiana carpet cut, seems to be most popular. Got the pull-out table, comes out to about here. It's got an extra leaf. This model has 2 more folding chairs for option. Storage underneath the chairs. The rear cabinets behind. Plug-in outlets, USB outlets all around the dinner table. Plenty of lighting. Screen door here, does have a pull down shade for the door window. Then we have our monitor panel here. that's all lit for our, all of our components, tanks, monitors, as well as our thermostat. This has got the Wi-Fi Ranger built in. Fuse panel down below with breakers. Backlit cabinetry here with the adjustable shelving again. More down below. Tons of storage space. For storage space, even though this is the 36, one of their smaller floor plans, when you start putting things away in the cabinetry, even compared to some of their longer versions, this particular floor plan has more storage space to put stuff, believe it or not. Notice the new kitchen lighting, the 3D effect with the woodwork, and the back side of the kitchen island with the backlit LED light strips and the 3D woodwork. Just great woodwork. Probably the nicest you're going to find in a towable. Whirlpool residential refrig. Every little nook and cranny is used for storage space. There's nothing missed. We walk into the up the bedroom area. We have a pull-out door here that's solid wood with the glass inlay that locks in. We get into the bathroom. Lots of cabinet space, big shower, porcelain toilet, fantastic fan, great woodwork again, plenty of lighting. Bathroom as well has indirect lighting for nighttime toe kick area, so we don't have to light the whole trailer up to go to the bathroom. Nice door work here, solid doors. Bifold doors here for our laundry area. It's going to have overhead lighting with a shelf, a rack, plumbed and set up for a side-by-side two-piece washer and dryer setup, or a nice big extra closet. We come into the bedroom here. Dimmer switches on the lights, on the ceilings in the bed area. Nice vanity with a small slide here. Inch seems like a foot in these things, so it's not very deep, but it does make a big difference. Another LG TV here. Again, more cabinet space as we talked about. Nice big banks of solid wood drawers, plywood inlay, nice clear cut. We don't have to worry about getting slivers because it's nice clean cut plywood. King bed. Bank of cabinets above the bed as well. Window next to the bed there. Again with its own switch here and plug-ins on both sides of the bed. Nice big lit closet area. That's a nice walk-in closet with the cedar lined shoe racks, built-in safe, extra hanger racks that we had put in it, with more drawers and plug-in in the closet area as well. Nice work on the doors here. Then we can open this side here as one piece or slide them back. Come on outside, let me show you the exterior features. Nice fold out step that's very solid. This has the kind of the storm window door on the screen door too, that these little turnhickeys turn open. The storm panel comes out. Now we can let the breeze blow through if we want. Top and bottom. Nice thick walls, thicker than just about anybody in the industry. This is what they call, it's a beautiful paint job. They call it half body paint, but to me it's almost like a full body paint because they do no graphics. It's all paint, but they do clear over the whole coach, so I mean it's virtually like a full body paint with the clear coat. Nice big basement. This one's got the pull-out tray as an option. Makes it nice because it pulls out either way on nice ball bearing rollers. This has the access to the basement here. Showing you the furnace plenum that's different than everybody else's, that they spend a little more time with it to make get rid of the hot and cold spots throughout the coach. Very evenly displaced. Nice big thick baggage doors, slam latches. Big end cap here, it comes out to here, and then here, so it's basically a two-piece cap system. These are caps. They're not rolled Phylon, they're not going to separate. They're molded caps. So don't know anybody else in the towable side that's doing that at this point as well. Dual power awnings down the door side with Lumigard awning covers. Help protect the awning, make them last longer. Got the, like I said, the dual insulated frameless windows. The MoreRide pin box. Again, the nice end cap here, full body paint. You can't even feel the difference between the colors here because they clear coat it, so it's nice and smooth. Prep for a generator, so we already have the gen box, or that makes a nice, what I call the cold storage. It is not heated because it's separated. Built-in box. Battery disconnect switch, two 6-volt batteries on pull-out tray along with our hydraulic systems here. Propane tank set up here on a pull-out tray. Notice the two big, extra large 10-gallon bottles. Off door side basement entrance here. Again with the tray, pulls out this direction as well. As well as having full house water filtration, copper manifold system, wool insulation, box tube frame rails, very easy to access, heated basement, big 12-gallon gas and electric hot water heater, auto leveling system, big slide here, 17.5 wheel and tire. Sorry this hasn't been cleaned up yet, but they are a 17.5 Goodyear H-rated tire with tapered lug nuts so they won't back off on you once they're torque tight, as well as the Kodiak disc brake system and MoreRide independent suspension. And then there's a nice pretty chrome center cap that hides those lug nuts so they don't stand out while we're driving down the road. That looks real nice. Just wanted to get this out there because it is very fresh. Don't have a lot of them in stock right now, so first come, first serve. Large 50 amp power cord reel. Built-in rear ladder. It's got the rear hitch wiring here, depending on what we're towing, what we're hauling. Big one-piece end cap. Again, the backup monitor system that I talked about. Again, the second awning over this, the dinette slide area with aluminum cased setup is there too. A lot more features to talk about on this unit, but trying to keep the video kind of short and sweet. If you have any questions on the DRV Mobile Suites product, feel free to give me a call. I do get involved in a lot of these transactions with these units, so again, make sure you ask for Clay.Thompson at Guaranty RV. My direct number is 541-979-1770. That's Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. Thank you and have a great day.